Hey Primary 5 Math Prodigies, this is Coach Saiful with your daily dose of math mastery, and today we're going to go into question number 4 of your assessment paper number 7 on percentages. Alright, so let's take a look at the question first. It says, at a dance concert, 15% of the audience are men. Okay, the number of boys is 1/3 the number of men. Okay, the number of women is 4 times the number of boys. Wow, this is getting confusing. The rest are girls. Okay, if the number of girls is 360 more than the number of women, what percentage of the audience are girls? And B, how many people are there at the dance concert? Wow, that's a mouthful. Okay, so let's figure it out. There are men, there are boys, there are women, and there are girls. So let's draw this out first. Okay, in that particular order, there are men, there are boys, there are women, and then there are girls. Okay, first clue. Our first clue is 15% of the audience are men. So let's write down 15% of the audience. Okay, so I'm going to use a different color right now. 15% of audience. Okay, I'm just going to write of A, of audience. Okay, next part, it says the number of boys is 1/3 the number of men. So the number of boys is 1/3 the number of men. Okay, now here's something pretty cool. 1/3 times 15% of the audience is going to give you how much? 5%. Divide by 3 basically. 5% of how many? Of what? Of the audience. So we already have 20% covered. Next part. The next clue says the number of women is 4 times the number of boys. The number of women is 4 times the number of boys. So how many are the boys? The number of boys is 5%. So women would be 5 times 4, which gives you 20% of audience. Wow, I think this is really becoming easy for us. The next part, the rest are girls. The rest are girls. So therefore we have 15%, 5%, 20%. Altogether we have 40%. So girls, the rest are the rest. So 100% minus 40% is going to give you the answer of 60% of audience. So bam, we already have everything figured out. Now it should be quite easy, 60%, okay? Now the next part says, if the number of girls is 360 more than the number of women, number of girls, which is 60% minus 20% is equals to, okay, let's get that 40% first. Then we say 40%, we'll use a different color right now, 40% is equals to the same as 360. Why? Because it's the number of girls who are more. If 40% is 360, now what do we need to find out? We need to find out what percentage of the audience are girls. Oh wow, we already answered that without knowing. So we just part A is 60% of girls, the audience are girls. And how many people are there at the dance concert? Simple. To find out number of people at the concert, we simply find 100%. Okay, I'm going to give you a shortcut here. All you have to do is take 360 divided by 40 to get the 1%, and then you multiply it by 100%. Sorry, by 100. So what you'll get is 0 and 0 you cancel out. 36 divided by 4 gives you what? 9, 18, 27, 36. So it's 9. 9 times 100 gives you 900. How many people are there at the concert? There are 900 people. Alright, so basically that is the answer. Looks difficult, looks threatening, but actually it isn't. So again, whenever you have situations like this, my quote of the week comes into play. You have to trust yourself. Don't just look at the questions like, oh my god, it is so difficult. You can do it. Trust yourself. You know more than you think you do. This is Coach Saiful signing off saying you are a math prodigy. Good job.